Good evening, students. In our last class, we study about the basic of the kingdom fungi. Okay. Today we will start the detailed structure of yeast, mushroom. Okay. So first is fungi are both unicellular and multicellular. I told you unicellular means single cell structure and the multicellular means many cells. Okay, so multicellular form consists of a long thread like structure in which a long thread like structure is present, that is known the hypha. Okay, that grow close together, आपस में साथ साथ ही grow करती हैं. Hypha collectively form a highly interwoven compact mass called mycelium. So the three common type of fungi are present. First is the yeast, this one. Yeast which are unicellular molds, it is unicellular. And second one is the molds which are multicellular. Okay, that is common name is the bread mold. And third one is the mushroom which are also multicellular. Mushroom multicellular होते हैं. Okay, and yeast and molds are microscopic organism, and while mushroom are quite big and microscopic. Microscopic means they can be seen only by through the microscope. ठीक है, they are not seen by the naked eyes. Okay, next topic is the nutrition. Okay, in the kingdom fungi, the chlorophyll are not present. Okay, that means they cannot make their own food. So the mode of nutrition in the kingdom fungi are maybe saprophytic or parasitic. Clear? So parasitic ones live on or in the tissue of another living organism, किसी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म के अंदर या उसके सरफेस के ऊपर. ओके, सो द होस्ट एब्जॉर्बिंग नरिशमेंट फ्रॉम इट्स बॉडी, उसकी बॉडी के अंदर से या उसकी बॉडी के ऊपर से अपना नरिशमेंट को कवर करते हैं, नरिशमेंट टेक करते हैं. ओके, एंड सम ऑफ द मोस्ट डिवास्टिंग डिजीज ऑफ क्रॉप्स आर ड्यू टू द पैरासिटिक फंगी. किसी एनिमल्स की बॉडी के ऊपर रहते हैं, सो डिजीज़ क्रिएट करने का काम भी करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल पोटैटो ब्लाइट, ओके, वीट रस्ट. सेकेंड वन इज़ द सैप्रोफिटिक. तो सैप्रोफिटिक ड्राइज देयर फूड फ्रॉम द डेड एंड डिकेइंग मटीरियल्स. सड़ी गली मरी हुई चीज़ों से अपना फूड लेते हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स द मोल्ड्स विच डेवलप ऑन द स्टेल डम्प फूड, बहुत गंदी जगह पर ये उगते हैं. एंड मैनी अदर फंगी विच लिव इन द सॉयल एंड फीड ऑन द ह्यूमन्स देयर. ओके, सो two type of nutrition are present in the saprophytic and the parasitic. So parasitic means they can take their food by the living organism. Okay, and second one is the saprophytic. Saprophytic means that they take their food from the dead and decaying materials. Okay, next topic is the reproduction. Okay, so reproduction take place both bisexual and asexual. Clear? Sexual and asexual both reproduction are present in the kingdom fungi. Okay, so asexual reproduction may be through the binary fission or budding or regeneration of fragments, or through the spores formations. So spores formation is very common method. It is found, and budding is also very common method. Okay, so in the process of budding they make their structure their own like. Okay. So budding is also very common method in which the budding is a type of asexual reproduction in which a new organism, just like this, a new organism develops from an outgrowth of bud. This is known the bud. Okay, so bud due to the cell division at one particular site, the small bulb-like projection. This is the bulb-like projection coming out from the yeast cell is known the bud. So this is the method of the budding. It is very common and the simple method for in the reproduction. Okay, so students, in our next class we will study about the bread mold, yeast, and the okay students, revise it 2-3 times and we will discuss it in the Zoom class. Okay, goodbye student, take care.